Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today in this video is going to be a really busy day, and you may be wondering why I'm doing the intro. Well, because you know my dad normally does it, but we're just trying to spice things up, you know, get the whole family involved. And as you guys can see, we also have some new shirts that say Babaji's Farm. All of us.
And me too.
Yasmin's not wearing hers yet because she needs to eat breakfast and we don't want it to get wrecked right away. Hi, Yasmin.
Hi everybody, welcome to Babaji's vlog. Oh, I forgot my shirt.
Put it on. Put your shirt on first.
It says my name, Yusuf. Look.
Yeah, it does.
I'm
I am Babaji.
I'm Yusuf. I am Yasmin.
And I'm Mushi.
And you having what?
Mango juice.
Mango again.
Nickel, my mum.
Hi, Mom. And Mom's wearing Babaji's shirt.
Babaji's shirt.
Welcome to Babaji's vlog. I am Hannah. Missed you, Babaji.
I miss you too.
Hello everybody. Welcome to Babaji's vlog. I'm going to be high.
No. MashaAllah, it's going to be a beautiful day. What a beautiful morning today.
So what we're going to do right now is we're going to go outside and feed the animals. So come with us. So now, first thing we're doing is just going to feed the cat. Some cat food. It's stuck, but that's okay. Ow. It's breakfast. So chickens are having the leftover birthday cake from my sister's birthday.
Where do you want to go? You want to go to the docks? You sure?
But doggy is my best friend.
Oh, is it? Which one?
And this one.
Oh, this one. Okay. What happened?
Yeah.
Go over it. Climb over it. Push it down. Push it down with your hands. Yeah, and now go over it like that.
I'm done.
Yeah, look, you already done it. Nearly done it.
But my neck is gone.
Oh, okay, hang on.
I did. Bobby.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, dear.
What?
Let's go, dear. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, dear.
All right, everyone. Well, as Mushi said earlier, we've got heaps to do today. We actually, well, not much at the farm so much. We just have to go out to town. We've got a barbecue at our daughter Mariam's place. And Mushi has his cricket training, and tomorrow he's got the tryouts. So a bit of a busy day, but just in the morning, just getting a few things done in the morning at the block. Yes.
Bobby.
Yes.
I want to hold a Bama. Don't you hold a Bama?
Oh, good shot, you said.
See, because if we hit it there, then that means none of us ever makes it there.
This girl needs some anger management. Look at it.
I want to faster.
Faster, I'm doing it faster. Look. Oh. Okay, go really high. 1, 2, 3.
No, higher.
Even more higher.
I want to die.
Say again. Say again, say again.
I'm happy, Papi.
You're happy now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright guys, so me and Dad are working on this railing because when we have visitors over, sometimes they're old and it's hard for them to come up the stairs. So we're building this railing and it's also good for everyone here, just to make it easy because this is really steep as well. So
Just getting some screws done in here, holes done in here, and then we should be able to put all that through.
guys, so it took a while, but after all, this is what came through. It's feeling pretty good. It's just a bit shaky, so we're tightening it up, make sure it's good, you know. So yeah, it looks really great. Alright guys, so we're going cricket now. Yeah. And we're also taking the kids back and we're gonna have lunch at their house.
I don't want.
You don't want to go back?
The other thing is I don't really want to share.
How was it?
Okay.
Go eat with someone.
Nice. This is looking good. Smells beautiful.
Everyone come here and have some chops with some sausages.
And chicken, which is already cooked. And it's gone
chicken
inside
is
already.
upstairs already.
Yes. Can't wait. I'm so hungry.
I love you.
Alright. Here he comes again. Woo!
Alright guys, so that should be the end of the video for today. I'm at my sister's house right now. We're having lunch with some of our family members and I'm done with my cricket training. But I do have the tryouts tomorrow, so I still got to practice. But I think that's all for today. See you next week.
Alright everyone, I think the day is just about to go. Haven't done much today, sorry. Yeah, meant to do quite a bit of work, but as I said, we had lunch in town and Mushi's cricket, and that kind of took most of our day. But I've just come here to show you these rabbits who are doing so much damage to my veggie patch, and they're everywhere. They got burrows here. I normally leave them alone and not bother them, but I have to do something I think this year, because as I said, they have almost ring barked some of my olive trees, and now they're getting into my veggie patch. So this is, I went to the shop, local shop here, and they advised me to give these pellets. So this is just a poison. I don't, as I said, I don't like doing it, but move away from it. But yeah, I hadn't had no choice, because they have caused me a lot of issues lately. So unfortunately, all the ones which are closer to the house, I have to get rid of them. So come with me. See, when they're under the container, so it's like rats, they're everywhere. So this is just a poison. It's basically a wheat coated with poison. I'm hoping this will work. I got burrows everywhere. Even on the other side, you can see a rabbit right there. Not sure if you can see it. Yep. Yep. As you can see, more burrows. And they're so close to the house. So I don't mind if they're a bit further away, where they mind their own business, but no. They don't mind their own business. They wreck everything upland. Alright everyone, I think it's time to say goodbye. Well, as you know, we already had a barbecue. I showed you what we had today. We only have one big meal a day. So that was done a bit earlier, so nothing to show you for dinner. But we will catch up again tomorrow. And oh yeah, I forgot to say, I haven't uploaded the last Saturday's video. I think we're having issues uploading it into sending it to my son in Pakistan. So what I'm going to do is try and do it myself. And also I'm going to change the YouTube channel. I had really old account which I was using before. I haven't used it for a long time, so I'm going to go use that one. And then Talal is going to use his own one. And then yeah, I think it was getting a bit confused because there was videos from the farming here and then there was videos from Pakistan, so yeah, it just wasn't really working. So we thought, oh well, we may as well, since we had the channels, why not use them? Alright, so I'll try and upload this and I'll see how I go, but I'll catch you up all tomorrow.